When you call someone Messenger, you can see this error. This app version is deprecated. Please update your app problem. In this video, I show you how to fix this app version is deprecated. Please update your app problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store. For iPhone or iOS, go to App Store. Now search for Messenger app. Tap on Messenger. Update. Now go to Settings. Then go to Apps. Then go to See All Apps. Now search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Now open Messenger. After open Messenger, now log into your account. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fix this app version is deprecated. Please update your app problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.